Today, I'll walk you through how to rename the title in Power by graphs and visuals, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to customize your visual titles so you can enhance the clarity and professionalism of your reports. Let's get started. First, open your Power by dashboard. This is the canvas where all your data visualizations come to life, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Next, select the visual you want to rename. Click on the specific graph, chart, or table that you wish to highlight. This action will ensure that the formatting options you apply will only affect this selected visual. Think of it as choosing a specific painting to frame. Now let's open the Format pane. On the right side of your screen, you'll see an icon that looks like a paintbrush. Click on this Format visual icon to access the customization options available for your selected visual. Once you're in the Format pane, switch to the General tab. You'll notice two tabs, Visual and General. Click on General. This is where you can manage overall container properties like titles, tooltips, and headers, similar to adjusting the settings of a picture frame before placing your artwork inside. Now let's expand the title section. Look for the toggle or arrow next to title and click on it to reveal more options. Ensure that the title toggle is turned on. This step is crucial because it allows you to display a title for your visual, like putting a label on your framed artwork. Next, it's time to type your new title. Under the text field, delete the default title that appears and type in your preferred name. This is your opportunity to make your visual more informative and engaging, so choose a title that accurately reflects the data being presented. And there you have it. You've successfully renamed the title in your Power by graph or visual. Remember, customizing your visuals not only enhances their appearance, but also improves the overall understanding of your data. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.